Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Ito na po ang problemang ipinadala sa ating Facebook page na DJ Lala Bandera. So my love, ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Zoe. Hi DJ Lala, I'm using a dump account dahil ayoko na pong ma-expose yung identity ko. I don't mind DJ if hindi mo to mabasa. I just want to share and ask for advice kasi gabi-gabi na lang po akong nakakaramdam ng sakit at naaalala ko ang lahat. Ilang months na din kaming nag-break DJ. Sa loob ng months na po na yon, pinilit ko pong makalimutan siya. At sorry sa word, palitan. Gusto kong makita niya na okay na ako, pero mali DJ eh. Nakaabot ako sa point na nakakasakit na ako ng tao. Nakailang palit ako ng ka-talking stage just to prove him na kaya ko pong mag-isa. Kahit hindi naman talaga. I felt bad and sorry for those guys na nireject ko after knowing their intentions po sa akin. Kasi hindi ko pa rin po siya makalimutan. Laging siya pa rin. Siya pa rin po DJ eh. Walang bago. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Sobrang hirap na po kasi ako. Thank you so much and more power to your show. Well, hi. So, first of all, maraming salamat for sharing your story with us. My love, I'll go straight to the point. Sabi mo, nagde-date ka ng ibang tao because you want to prove to him na kaya mo alone. My love, that's kinda ironic. Your need to be with someone is your way of proving him that you can do it alone. See, the funny thing about that, na kailangan mong ma-attach, makomit, maipares to someone para patunayan sa kanya na kaya mong mag-isa. How is that even possible? When you want to prove to someone na kaya mong mag-isa, it means na kaya mong maging independent. Na you don't have to depend your happiness to someone else. Na you don't have to have a partner just to be happy. Kasi you are only proving him right sa ginagawa mo na hindi mo nga kaya mag-isa. You cannot even move on properly. Because what you're doing right now is you are looking for a rebound because you don't want to feel the pain. You don't want to feel the loss. Ayaw mong maramdaman yung emptiness. Ayaw mong maramdaman yung void. That's the reason why up until this moment, hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on. Kasi you don't want to go through the process. You want that pain to be instantly gone. Naintindihan mo, kung gusto mo nang mabilisan na, wala na yung sakit, hindi ko na maramdaman. Kasi meron na nagbibigay sa akin ng kasiyahan. May nagpapakita na sa akin na special ako. May nagpapakita na sa akin na kaya niya akong mahalin. Yes, madaling humanap ng kapalit, my love. Madaling humanap ng isang tao na, alam mo yon, magbibigay sa'yo ng lahat ng atensyon na hinahanap mo. But if you're not getting that from the person you want to get it from, you'll never find the happiness you want. You'll just keep on, alam mo yun, hopping from one relationship to another. Hanggang sa magkaroon ka na lang ng reputation na player ka. Hanggang sa magkaroon ka na lang ng reputation na parang isa kang babae na you've gone around the town. Nataray mo na lahat ng putahe. Is that the reputation you were trying to prove? Yun ba yung reputasyon na gusto mong makita niya? Kasi if that's the case, my love, you're doing it with flying colors. Ang galing mo. Nagagawa mo siya. Ikaw na yung the best sa ginagawa mo. Pero kung hindi yun yung intention mo, kung ang intention mo lang ay saktan siya pabalik at sabihin sa kanyang hindi kita kailangan sa buhay ko, you are doing it wrong. Even with the wrong intention still, nagagawa mo pa rin siya ng mali. You wanna get back at him? Have a life. Live your life. If you have to feel the pain, if you have to feel the void, if you have to be sad, kasi alam mo sa sarili mong totoo yung naramdaman mo sa taong yun, let yourself feel that. Kasi kapag nasaktan kayo ng todo sa isang relationship, one thing is for sure. totoo yung pagmamahal. Kahit pangit yung ending, kahit hindi maganda yung ending, alam nyo sa sarili nyong totoo yung pagmamahal. And some people don't even experience something like that. Hindi nila na-experience yung feeling ng magkaroon ng something real connection with someone. Hindi pa nila nararanasan yung ganong lalim na klase ng pagmamahal. Pero ikaw naranasan mo na. So kahit pangit yung naging ending, be thankful about it. Kasi you know how it feels. Sa susunod na magkaroon ka ng relationship with someone, you know what to look for in order to see if that relationship is going somewhere. Kasi you know how it feels like to love someone so deeply. My love, stop fooling yourself. Kasi hindi mo naloloko yung ibang tao, ang niloloko mo na lang yung sarili mo. Don't try to get over this guy instantly. It's not how it works. Wala man ako ng rule book or kaya step-by-step instruction on how to get over someone. Pero one thing I know is true. Finding someone to be your rebound kind of relationship is not the way to get over someone. Hindi lang ibang tao sinasaktan mo. Sinasaktan mo lang din yung sarili mo. Kasi imbes na nakakausad ka na, imbes na nagkakaroon ka ng tsansa na makilala yung para sa'yo, natatabunan siya ng mga temporaring nilalagay mo sa tabi mo just to prove your point. Klaro, my love? Feel the void. Go through the process of grief. Ganun talaga. Kapag ang isang relasyon ay natapos, tapos nasaktan ka, at nahihirapan ka makamove on, kahit paano maging happy ka. Kasi once in your life, you loved truly and you were loved deeply. One classic case of pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana. Klaro? Klaro.